Na 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 na. You are so sexy to see your perfect iPhone. Oh my god, I'm sorry, Pray. Don't forget to tap the screen, guys. Come on, everybody. You're so funny. Tar, hello. Oh my god. This is crazy. So, so hot. I can't, hindi ko na kaya. Uh, no, no. I'm just here, just at home. I think I'm doing my laundry later. Danny, hello. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much. La 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 la. Where is home? Where is home? What? You already have. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Oh my god. The heck? I felt dizzy again. This is my. I think this is my like problem when I'm go. Yeah, yeah. You know what? This is my problem when I do stream in the afternoon. I felt dizzy because it's hot. It's super hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Okay, babe. Thank you. This is my problem when me doing stream in the afternoon. My god. Look at me. I'm not okay, guys. Thank you. Stay black. Hello. Thank you very much. Yeah, hello. Thank you for following me. Yeah, sure. Follow you back. Oh my god. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Oh my god. Let me follow you. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you. I follow you back. Oh, what the heck? What is that? Steve Black, thank you. Thank you, Steve Black. Oh my god. I'm not okay, perfect. Sakit na mata ko. Okay, okay. Steve Black, thank you. It's good now. Bakit na naman CJ? Bakit na naman CJ? Ano naman? Na from Philippines po. Oh my god. My God, I'm lagging po. What the heck? My phone is lagging po. God, I'm back. I think I'm lagging po. I don't know why. My God, this is crazy. I'm good now. Hey. Oh yeah, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Maybe my phone is like, oh my God. Don't. I think because of my cell phone. My God, this is crazy. Don't give up. I don't have like, I don't have money to buy a new one. This is crazy po. Oh my God. Phone is overheating. I think so. Oh my God. Na-stress na ako. I felt so stressed. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I felt, hoy, wag talaga. Wag ka talagang masira. You know what? My cell phone's like, um, 5 years old. Yeah. My iPhone 11 is 5 years old now.